Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we are visiting the Saskatoon Farm, located just a short drive south of Calgary, Alberta, Canada. The Saskatoon Farm is a hidden gem in the heart of the southern Alberta prairies. This is a family-owned and operated farm since 1987 and is known for its picturesque fields of Saskatoon berries. Speaking of these berries, did you know that Saskatoon berries are a so-called superfood, as these berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins? Well, anyways, let's get back to this place again and allow me to provide you with a little bit more info about the Saskatoon Farm. So if you're a local or find yourself ever in this area with some spare time on your hand, perhaps consider dropping by at that place for a visit. The Saskatoon Farm is more than just a place to pick fresh produce. You can purchase plants for gardening, perhaps a few nice flower arrangements for your front porch or a tree for your yard. The farm also features a charming country store, selling handmade crafts and gifts, as well as a cozy restaurant. Visitors can also explore the farm's beautiful gardens, relax on the outdoor patio, or attend one of the farm's popular events such as the annual Harvest Festival and others. They even have a few animals such as turtles, chickens and turkeys, which are something, if you have any little ones in your family, will certainly enjoy. As a visitor to the Saskatoon Farm, you can stroll through the buildings and, when in season, even pick your own berries. You can also purchase to take home and enjoy one of the farm's delicious homemade jams, pies or pastries. Besides Saskatoon berries, the farm also grows a variety of other fruits and vegetables, including apples, pumpkins and rhubarb. We are right now exploring a little bit more of the outside, and I'm not certain if this road is open or access is open year round, so please make sure you check with the store. In our case, there were no barriers or signs not to walk down here, but if they are, make sure you obey them, and if you're not certain, perhaps double check with the store. But anyhow, this area, I believe it's the older buildings of the Saskatoon Farm from the past, and in a way they remind me a little bit of some of the ghost towns where we capture some footage and have on our channel as well. You know, while we were walking around down there with these buildings, as I said, almost a little bit of a ghost town, I almost had the feeling like we were being watched. And I guess I wasn't too far off. Of course, I'm just kidding, but no, we were being watched. Some of them were very curious of these cows up here, what the heck we were doing down there. I do believe these are Saskatoon berry bushes, I'm not 100% sure, and that's also the river valley. You can't quite see the river going through, maybe a little bit on the top left corner there for now, but we make our way back up to the main buildings again. Now, my thoughts are, whether you're looking to purchase some baked goods, enjoy a delicious meal, or simply soak in the beauty of the southern Alberta countryside, the Saskatoon Farm should be on the list of places to visit for locals and tourists alike. Any questions or comments, as always, please feel free to leave them in the comment section of the video, and as always, please stay well, be safe, and you will see me again next week in another video. Thanks for watching.